Oh, sure. Yeah. I'll go shopping with you, yeah. Okay, see you in 10 minutes. Bye. I need some bucks. I need some bucks. Please be there, please. Or maybe... Mom, do you have some money? Let's be honest, you can make your own money. It doesn't matter if you're 15 or 17 or 35 years old. Well, if you're 35, I really hope that you are making your own money.
Is he asleep? No. I'm pretty sure he's dead.
Hey guys, today I will show you some of the easiest ways to make money, and I can assure you that you will thank me at the end of this video. So, it doesn't matter how old or young you are, all you have to do is to choose one method and start making money from today. Now, before we start, I have something very important to say, so pay attention because this is crucial if you want to make money on a long term every single day and if you want to be successful. So guys, the thing is that you may think you're not capable to do the things that I will be showing you in this video, but all you have to do is learn, and then you will see and you will realize how easy it is. If you are a teenager, well, you have all the time to learn new things and to achieve knowledge, and if you are smart enough to start soon, well, I think that you will be successful by your 20s. If you are in your 30s already, well, no worries, I got you. I'm almost 30, and because I didn't start early, my plan and my goal is to become a successful 7-figure entrepreneur by then. So, I think that you can do it too. Well, let's start before you get bored. I'm pretty sure that most of you already have a Pinterest or Instagram or even TikTok account. Well, let's make them profitable. And no, I won't tell you how to become an influencer or have millions of followers. Instead, I will show you a method that can bring you money even if you have literally 0 followers. We will start with Instagram and we will be focused more on this platform, but please consider Pinterest and TikTok as alternatives, and I will also tell you something about those other 2 platforms in a while. If you don't have an Instagram account already, well, the very first thing that you have to do is to create one, and now let's start the fun. So, we have 2 categories here and you will want to start with the one that seems easier for you. But before that, let me explain you how it works. What will you basically do is to reach influencers that will post your products in front of their audience. You can ask them if they can do it for a commission, like an affiliate, and this way you won't have to pay for that post. Of course, many will say no, but you have to ask, and I'm sure that you will be able to find at least one. Now, the second thing is what and how will you sell? Now let's jump into my computer because it's easier to show you what I'm talking about. So guys, as I have told you, you have to create an Instagram account, find a niche, pick a product, find an influencer, and promote the product. Now, when it comes to products, we have 2 different options. Either you go for physical products, either you go for digital products. Now, for example, if you like to design things or if you have good ideas to print on clothes or accessories or things like that, you will want to use teespring.com. And as you can see, you can create a lot of things for free and you don't have to manage the shipping and so on. It's very easy to use and you don't need any money to do that. Now, this can be a really good idea for physical products, but of course you can choose digital products like ebooks, videos, templates, music, and so on. And I will show you in a few moments where you can grab those for free and the most important, with reselling rights. So the next thing that you will want to do is to create a nice Instagram story, because you will want to have your post in the story so people can simply swipe up and reach your product page. For those that don't know much about Instagram, well, when you have at least 10,000 followers, you can put a link in your story so people can reach it just by swiping up. Now, these are just basic things about Instagram, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer. Now let's move on, guys, because this is the part that I like the most. I have told you before that you can resell ebooks or videos and so on. And how? Well, you don't have to create those. You just need to go to this website idplr.com and register for free. You can find the link down below in the description box. So here you can download, as you see, free products, so free ebooks, for example, or a free video, and you can try to resell it for $10, $20. Or you can give it away for just $1 or $2. And this thing will help you create an email list where you will resell other products that are related to the first one. So you have the main product and the main product page, and then after collecting some emails, you will upsell and upsell and upsell other products. The next step is to create a page where you will resell your product, and you can create it with Kartra.com, which is a sales funnel, and you will be able to create all the other pages from there as well, because this is the point. To make more money, you have to reach everyone that bought your video or ebook or whatever for $1 or $2 and send them new offers about related products. You can use the free trial for Kartra, and if you feel confident and if you like this method, then you can go for the paid plan and continue this strategy as well as implementing new ones. Okay guys, now let's see how can we use Pinterest to promote these products for free. I have already made a video about this strategy with affiliate marketing, and yes, you can use the same strategy here. And if you want to go and check out that video, I will leave you the link in the description. Using Pinterest and the strategy from the video, you will be able to sell your own products from Teespring, for example, or if you want to go with the advanced way, then you can resell digital products that you will get from the website that I have just showed you. Of course, that method is a little more time consuming, but you will see that it is really worth once you start to see your first sales. When it comes to TikTok, well, same thing. You have the option to add your Instagram link, but you want to make sure that the link to your product is already in your Instagram account. Now, I know that there are many more ideas on how to make money, some easier than others, but what you have to do is to choose something that you're good at and that can help you develop new skills, because it's the only way to a successful life. Now, I want to move on and to give you some other options that are easier, and I'm sure that you will like them. If you like dogs, well, you can consider to become a dog sitter. And trust me, there are so many people that don't have the time to watch for their dogs or to walk them. And you don't need to have any special skills for this, you just have to like dogs. There are two ways that you can get this started. Well, the first thing that you could do is to go out and ask your neighbors if they want you to walk their dog or to watch for him, or you can create a profile on Raver.com. Let's see. So basically, this is how Raver.com looks like. You have to sign up here, and you can receive the request directly from those who need a dog sitter. Some pet owners may want you to keep and care for their dog in your own home while they're away, for example. Others may want someone who can stay at their house where their pet's most comfortable. Of course, if you are a teen, you should ask for your parents' permission first. Now, it's the same for cats. So you can apply on Raver.com for your area, and you can make from 10 to 20 bucks for a walk. Another good idea is to help people do their regular chores. And this website is the place to share your skills and be ready to be contacted and earn some money. So as you can see, the services that they have: handyman, help moving, interior painting, TV mounting, light installation, hanging pictures, and so on. You can go on TaskRabbit.com and check out all these services that they have. Now, let me tell you something really interesting. How about studying and getting paid? If you're at a college or if you have some academic content from the past years, you can sell them online directly to people that are interested. You can check out this website, stavia.com, and upload your paperwork, set up your own price, and that's it. You can sell for free, so no worries about that. Now, if you're really good at writing, you can start your own blog or write an ebook. You can start small with something that you are passionate about or about something that you want to learn. You can write 1 to 2 articles per week, and trust me, with all the social media platforms out there, it won't be difficult to reach your audience. Please don't forget about Pinterest and Instagram if you have a blog, because they can really help you grow. And what can be better than growing a blog, a Pinterest account, and an Instagram account all at the same time? Once you have an audience, there are many ways to monetize that traffic with Google Ads, affiliate links, a blog store, or even selling ad space in your blog. If you have no idea what to write about, you can start with some reviews. I'm sure that you are already buying stuff from Amazon, eBay, or other websites. You can combine your writing skills with your personal experience about a product, and you can make a category in your blog about product reviews, and this will help you for when you will be ready to write about other things. So guys, as you can see, there are many options to make money online and offline for everyone. You have to start with something, and the most important thing, don't try to do 10 things at a time. Be consistent with one thing and be patient, because you won't wake up millionaire after writing an article or anything else. So try to be organized and manage your time in your favor, and at the end of the day, you look back and say, well, this was a good day. I have planned my whole week, or I have managed to set up all my social media accounts. Just start with the beginning so you don't get confused or bored or even disappointed. Now, thank you very much for taking time to watch this video, and if you liked it, well, I guess I will see your like. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Have a productive day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!